Hey, what's up everyone? Aubrey Trades here. It is July 6th. The market is going to open in about 45 minutes, and I wanted to make a quick pre-market scans video, go over some things that I'm looking at, or that I'm gonna be looking at the open, right? First off, of course, we got BLIN from last week, which closed up on the day, now squeezing a little bit further into a pre-market, currently at previous highs at 13.98, currently just off of those highs. I will be looking at this for a dip and rip to start the morning. Same possibility with MRIN here with new highs at 28.24. MRIN has been the big runner of the past 1 week plus. CUEN also doing stuff here in the pre's, just started squeezing this last 15 minutes ago. I'm keeping my hands under my butt during this pre-market trading session. This is day one. We're going to be using our new strategy that I outlined in the last video, zooming out to the 15-minute chart using the Hull moving average and the VWAP. And if you don't know what the Hull moving average is, I explained it a little bit in the last video, so you can check that out. I'm looking forward to today. I think it's going to be pretty exciting. See what's going to happen, and I'm hopeful that zooming out is going to filter some of the noise and allow me to actually capture the bigger part of the upside moves that these plays have to offer. Anyway, other things that's coming up on the scanner, let's go ahead and come over here. We have ADXS up 43% in the pre-market. Not a terribly great daily chart here. Let's see the 1 minute chart, spiking up from 45 cents to 84. That's pretty insane. Let's go back to this daily. What are we posting? 67 cents right now. Where is that compared to here? So let's see. We really want to look for above 66, right? And this looks like a pretty significant. We got one touch here, two touch here, and then we got a resistance touch here. So that's 64 cents. I'm gonna go ahead and add that line to this chart here, just so it's there. We can see what's going on. We'll go back into the intraday. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Even this pre-market bounced right off of that. That, friends, that's a good look. I like that a lot, actually. So I just can't get over it. So I'm looking at this. If this continues to hold into the pre-market, standard play for this strategy, I'm gonna wait, take an entry when it's above the HMA line, see if we can capture this upside move. That is very exciting. All right, ADXS here. Next down the line, BSQR is another one that's running the pre-market here. This was a big play last week as well. So there, continued momentum from the weekend. Same play, looking to see how this closes pre-market. We're above this HMA line right here, which is bullish. Let's go ahead and look at BSQR daily chart. Alrighty, zoom out to the daily, see what we got here. Let's look at time and sales. What are we posting? 554 right now. So this is looking good. First green day potential. I like it. I like it. I like it. Next down the list, we got JGLCF. I feel like this is going to be a... Ooh, no thank you. None of that. AXLA is another one coming up on the scanner. All right, downtrending chart a little bit. Currently posting 502. That's a good little run. Right off of the highs. Let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and treat 515 as a level of interest. And we're doing that because here we saw it sort of bounce off of this area, right? We saw it bounce off this area twice. And then on this repeat spike, you know, we did have a blow off top up here. So this is also another, maybe a stronger resistance line over here, right? Let's go ahead and add that too. And then I added the lower one because that's where the candle actually closed. So this is the range of interest. Let's go ahead and zoom into this 15-minute. Very, very interesting. We're below this line, so I'm looking for this to go back above if it's going to be in play. For me personally, going outside, of course, waiting for the close above the HMA for that bigger upside potential. That's about it for the crazy gainers. I think the last one is OSAT coming up on the stocks trade scan. Very interesting here, going from 570s to now the 670s. Pull up that yearly chart. The 670s puts us around here, so we're close to these highs. That's very interesting, very good. Ooh. Okay, terrible 5-year chart. That's 17. What's here? This is interesting. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and treat this 790s. We'll just say like 8s area as a point of interest. Failed to break out of there on its last big run. Go back to this 15-minute chart. All right, so I'm interested if we break pre-market highs. The same rules apply. I'm actually going to set an alert because I don't have this on my main chart. Show alert. Notify. Yes. Create. Going into the charts. These are my main watches for the day. CCXI is another one. I think that has some, I think that is news, right? CCXI is news. Let's see. Jumps 14% after filing amendment to NDA submission. So nothing crazy on the news there. You see this ridiculously wild spike from the 13s to the 18s. Very strange, but we're going to keep watching this. I think I want it to come down a little bit more if I'm going to play it, but we will see. Things looking good so far in the pre's. Let's go ahead and see OTC land. DPLS is something of interest. Closing strong on Friday. AUUD is a potential continuation. Go back to this 15-minute. ASTS. I'm looking for this to get, reclaim this 15s area. RGBP. OTC from last week closing super strong on Friday. This is a big wash from morning panic out the gate. We will see, or a possible dip buy off a morning spike. That's about all I got for the morning. Thanks so much for watching. I'm going to be back at 6:30 for the market open with another trade recap. Possibly going to film it live as it's happening. A little live trading action might be kind of cool to document. Anyway, thanks so much. I'll see you then. Aubrey out.